Hello mga brothers and sisters. So, we're here at Hagna Sports Complex. So, in this vlog, we are going to tour you in the different parts of our Hagna Sports Complex and the astonishing beauty of our Hagna Baywalk. Welcome to our state-of-the-art sports complex, where passion meets performance and athletes of all levels come together to pursue excellence, push boundaries, and achieve greatness in a world-class facility designed to inspire, motivate, and elevate the sports experience.
First part is our Hagna Oval. Welcome to the Athlete Oval, where champions are born, dreams come true, and the boundaries of human potential are pushed to the limit amidst the thrill of competition, the roar of the crowd, and the relentless pursuit of excellence that inspires greatness in every stride, every leap, and every finish. So come with me to interview one of our athletes in Hagna. So brother, what's your name?
Joshua Halina.
So Joshua, what can you say about our newly renovated oval in Hagna?
Nice nang oval da. Nguan nga na dagan na practice sa mga athlete tungod sa para makasug sila.
Di salamat Joshua. So brother, what's your name?
Harvey Lurin.
So Harvey, what is your sports?
Boxing.
So what do you think are the benefits of our newly renovated Hagna Oval?
Kanang kuan makatabang sa mga athlete nga aron makusog pa sila. Feel nila ang support.
So thank you Harvey. Welcome to our part 2, our Hagna tennis court.
Step onto the tennis court, where champions are crowned, legends are born, and the thrill of victory hangs in the balance. Amidst the electrifying atmosphere of speed, agility, and power, with every serve, volley, and backhand, the drama unfolds as players clash in a spectacle of skill, strategy, and endurance, where heroes rise and fall with each triumphant ace or heartbreaking defeat.
Dive into our part 3, our Hagna swimming pool. Dive into the serene oasis of the swimming pool, where the gentle lapping of waves against the tiles, the warm sun shining bright, and the invigorating rush of cool water combine to create a refreshing escape from the world and a haven for relaxation, recreation, and rejuvenation.
So what's up, brothers and sisters? So now we are gonna tour you in the astonishing beauty of our Hagna Baywalk. We stroll along the picturesque baywalk with the soothing sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, the sweet scent of salt water, and the breathtaking views of the horizon blend together in the perfect harmony, creating a tranquil and serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
Now, come with me to interview one of our members. So, Brother Ivan, what can you say about the baywalk?
Ubi okay squad nice da peaceful na. Nano pa yung mga daghang pwede nisukan andar eh. Namo yung mga problema pwede mo dari magtambay.
Salamat, Ivan.
So what's up, mga brothers and sisters? So this is the end for the vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Peace alam.
So today, we are going to interview one of our members. So, Brother Ivan, what can you say about the baywalk?
Ubi okay squad nice time da peaceful. Na pa yung mga daghan nga kananan dari na. Kung na kayo mga problema, pwede ka dari mag-standby pra. Also, may mga... Ay, ilan!
Gina, katra ni.
So come with me to interview one of our athletes in Hagna. So Joshua,
Joshua, what's your name? Joshua, what's your name?
I'm brother.